Good morning, students. In fourth standard last video, we will see common multiple and lowest common multiple. We will learn about two methods. First one is multiplication method and second one is division method. Then next point is important facts about factors. Important facts about factors. Important facts about factors. First one fact is smallest factor of any number is 1. First fact is smallest factor of any number is 1. Smallest factor of any number is 1. That is 1 is multiplied by 21 is equal to 21. Then 1 is factor of 21. 1 is factor of 21. Second one is greatest factor of a number is number itself. Greatest factor of a number is number itself. Is number itself. That is 21 multiplied with 1 is equal to 21. Therefore 21 is factor of 21. 21 is factor of 21. Third fact is every number must have two factors. These factors are 1 and number itself. Every number has two factors. Every number has two factors. These factors are 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. This is three facts. Next, fourth fact is factors of a non-zero number is equal or less than number itself. Factors of a non-zero number is equal or less than that number. Therefore, for example, factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here every factor is less than or equal to 18. We have given one number 18. Then factors is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here lastly we have given 18 and the factor we have to find factors of 18. Then fourth factor is given there. Factors of a non-zero number is equal or less than the number itself. Therefore factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Then every factor is less than or equal to 18. Every factor is less than or equal to number itself. Fifth factor is when a number is divided by its factor, there is no remainder left. When a number is divided by its factor, then there is no remainder left. Next one point is divisibility rules. Next point is divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. First rule is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by divisibility by 2. Any number which ends with 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 is divisible by 2. Any number which ends 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Any number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 is divisible by 2. Examples: 10, 22, 194, 236, 538. Observe these numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then these are divisible by 2. Next one, divisibility by 3. Second rule is divisibility by 3. Any number can exactly divided by 3 if sum of its digit is exactly divided by 3. Any number can exactly divide by 3 if sum of its digit digits is exactly divisible by 3. Is exactly divisible by 3. Is exactly divisible by 3. Add, we have given one number, add all the digits. Add all digits. 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 23 is equal to 21. Check if 21 is exactly divisible by 3. Check 21 is exactly divisible by 3. 21 is exactly divisible by 3. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Remainder is 0. Therefore, 4593 is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. 4593 is divisible by 3. Next one is divisibility by 5. Third rule is divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Any number which ends with 0 and 5 is divisible by 5. Any number which ends with 0 and 5 is divisible by 5. For example, 5, 10, 50, 1990, 4000, etc. Observe these numbers ends with 5 and 0, and this is divisible by 5. Last rule is, this is third rule. Fourth rule is divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. Any number which ends only with 0 is divisible by 0. Divisible by 10. Any number which ends only with 0 is divisible by 10. Is divisible by 10. For example, 10, 100, 200, 290, etc. Observe these numbers ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Next point is exercise 7.4. Next point is exercise 7.4. Solve this exercise in homework. Next point is prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite number. First one is prime number. First one is prime number. Prime number is a number that can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. Prime number is number that can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. Prime number is a number that can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 7, 11, 13, etc. Prime numbers has only two factors. 1 and 2 has only two factors. 1 and number itself. Next 3 is only two factors. 1 and 3, that is number itself. Then 11 multiplied by 1 is equal to 11. 11 has only two factors. 1 and 11. Therefore, it is 11 is prime number. prime number means that a number that can be divided by exactly one and number itself is called as a prime number. Next, the second one is composite number. Next, second one is composite number. Composite number is a number that has more than two factors. Composite number. Composite number is a number that has more than two factors. That has more than two factors. Factors, for example, factors of 54 is equal to 1 multiplied with 54 is equal to 54. 2 multiplied with 77 is equal to 54. 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 54. 6 multiplied with 9 is equal to 54. 9 multiplied with 6 is equal to 54. So 54 have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 are as factors. Here factors are more than 2. Therefore 58 is a composite number. Here we have given one note. One is neither prime nor composite number. Therefore one is neither prime nor composite numbers. One is neither prime nor composite numbers. Next example is separate prime and composite numbers. Next example is separate prime and composite numbers. Separate prime and composite numbers. Numbers are given well 2, 8, 9, 11, 13, 23. Step first is find factors of given numbers. Firstly, find factors of given numbers. Factors of given numbers. First number is 2. Factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Second number is 8. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Next 9. Factors of 9 is 1, 3, 9. Next one is 11. 1 and 11. Factors of 11 is 1 and 11. Next 13 is factors of 13 is equal to 1 and 13. Next 23. Factors of 23 is 1 and 23. We have to find factors of all numbers. Step second is the numbers which have two factors as prime numbers and which have more than two factors are composite numbers. Factors have two factors That is here 2 has 2 factors. Next one 13 has 2 factors, 23 has 2 factors and 11 has 2 factors. Then 2, 30, 11 and 23 are prime numbers. Therefore prime numbers is equal to the number which have only 2 factors, that is 2, 9, 11, 30 and 23. This is prime number. 2, 11, 13 and 23. Sorry, 9 has 3 numbers. Next, a composite number. Composite number is equal to 8 has 4 factors. This is 8. Factors have more than 2. Number has more than 2 factors. Then it is called as a composite number. 8, 9 has composite numbers. Next, a second example is write 30 as the sum of 2 prime numbers. 30 as a sum of 2 prime numbers, that is 30 is equal to 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. Then 13 and 17 are prime numbers. Third example is solve to find whether the answer is prime or composite. Whether the answer is prime and composite. First step is subtract 16 from 25. Difference is 9. Then find the factors of 9. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Since 9 has more than 2 factors, therefore it is not prime number, it is composite number. And 25 plus 6 is equal to 31. 31 is prime number. 31 has only 2 numbers, then it is solved. We have given solve this example. Third example. (25) minus 16, we get 9. Then factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3 and 9. The factors have more than the number have more than 2 factors, then it is composite number. 9 is composite. Second one is 25 plus 6 is equal to 31. Then factors of 31 is equal to 1 and 31. Then 31 is prime number. This is prime and composite number. Our next point is prime factorization. We will see in next period. Okay, thank you.